Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6126. This ran from the 2012 to the 2018. It has a 3ZR FE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is the FWD FE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,